Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming the iPad is on the latest iPad OS and that you have a current backup. This avoids data loss. Once done, make sure you know the Apple ID email and password you'll use, plus access to the two-factor device or recovery key. Now open Settings and tap your name at the top. You'll be preparing to sign out of the current account. Sign out requires your Apple ID password, so enter it when prompted and choose whether to keep a local copy of data. Once you've signed out and restarted, head back to Settings and tap Sign into your iPad to start the new account setup. Enter the new Apple ID email and password, and when prompted, complete two-factor authentication using your trusted device or code. Make sure to read the iCloud options carefully. Choose whether to merge the iPad's local data with the new account or replace it. This determines whether contacts, calendars, and notes stay or switch. If you use apps and subscriptions, you finish by verifying iCloud settings, App Store purchases, iMessage, and FaceTime are linked to the new Apple ID so everything syncs properly. If certain apps still ask for the old Apple ID when updating, sign out of the App Store, sign in with the new ID, and re-download or update those apps. If two-factor authentication blocks sign-in, use your recovery key or a trusted device to approve access. If that fails, go to iForget. Apple, calm from another device to regain control.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.